Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Sonet speaker problem in your device Realme P1 Pro. In this video, I'm gonna share few tips how to fix this issue. If you found these tips helpful, press the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Make sure to watch complete video and learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video.